today's episode we're going back to Picnic Island, since action has been pretty good there on Spanish mackerel, mangrove snappers, snook, redfish. We're going back for another episode on Spanish mackerel and mangrove snappers. So those are going to be the two species we're going to hunt today, and we'll see how we're going to do. We'll keep you posted. Hey guys, our first fish for today is a mangrove snapper.
Snapper over here.
Yeah.
That one is a keeper. That one's a keeper. That one wasn't. Okay. That one was. That one like he's 10 on the top.
Huh?
That one like I got a rule over there.
Yeah, I have a ruler, but he's close. I don't like to keep them close.
You keep snapping?
Huh?
You keep them?
Yeah, I like snapper.
Oh, okay. I just lost one.
Big one?
Yeah, well, I pulled it up, but then it came up slower.
Okay, that was our first fish for today. Huh? Here you go. Oh, it's a skipjack.
Oh, skipjack.
These guys are horrible.
You like those?
Those guys never touch them with your hand, because they'll get you so bad you're gonna hurt for days.
Really?
Oh yeah. There you go. It's another snapper. Stop moving. It's another nice snapper. Not what we're looking for though. Not that size that we want, but hey, at least they're biting. There you go. Another one. The big boys are not here yet, I guess. I have to deal with the tiny ones. Okay. Done for today? Yeah. You too. You want the Spanish before you go? You okay? Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, very nice.
You want it? No? Yeah, you want it? Okay guys, we got a nice size Spanish.
Your brother went back home?
Yeah, he did actually, he did. He wasn't that happy this year. I mean, he did pretty okay, but usually we do really good on pompanos. Yeah, like we like limit almost every other day on pompanos, but this year hardly, 2, 3, one here, one there, not much, because that's all we do when he comes here.
Oh, okay.
Pompano fish.
How long have you been doing your videos?
The video's just 5 months now. Another baby Spanish, guys. Wasn't filming for it. Whoa, look at them biting that side too. It's Mikey's first flounder?
Yep.
Mikey's first flounder. It's a baby one, but hey, I'll take it.
I'll take a picture of it.
Here, give me the phone, huh? I'll take it. There you go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. That's what we like. If it's not 11, it's not going in my cooler. There you go.
He's 11.
Yeah. That's what I want today, Mikey. Those big boys. Yeah, that's 11, 12, I think, yeah? 12. Let's see. Man, I love those mojaras. Okay, guys, let's see where this guy is. Yeah, he's 12. Yeah, he's 12. There you go, guys. Don't bite, don't bite, don't bite. One for the camera. That's our keeper for today. That's a 12-incher. Oh.
Went to FWC passes by. He's right off the walker. He's not in the walker the way he's supposed to be in.
Yeah, they do that all day in Courtney Campbell. Nobody cares. There you go. Oh, don't go there. Come on, man. That's my second one, I think. Let's see. Is he gonna make it?
Hey, would I be able to catch anything on this today?
No, brother. Just use my live bait, man. Come on, I have plenty. I'm gonna catch some mangrove snappers. I mean, some greenbacks later. Just use. I have a lot of mojaros, man. Don't worry, it's plenty there, and I'm gonna cast it later. Some more greenbacks. This guy's swallow, man.
Another one?
Yeah, they love mojaros, man. Yeah, move that side. I got you there, huh? There you go. There you go. Look at Mikey with a nice Spanish. He keeps them, Mikey.
Huh?
He keeps them.
You're not taking them?
No, I'm gonna take a picture of them.
All right. I'll put them in the
That is a good one.
Mofongo, yeah.
Oh, that's what it's called?
Mofongo, yeah.
Yeah, I have to try that because I saw that in another video, and man, oh man, it looked really good.
All right, gentlemen, I gotta get ready.
That's it?
Yeah, I gotta go pick up my son from school.
Hi, man. See you next time.
Hope I got you guys back in the rebound.
Yeah, we'll
Thank you so
be
much.
around. No problem, man. Thanks for the
I'll
support.
make sure I'll share.
Thank you, brother.
And it was a pleasure meeting you. Most of the time, I meet guys they do videos,
Oh, you want
this
that?
short conversation, and that's it.
You took a picture?
Yeah, without even making the videos. But now it's different because a lot of people more, watch the videos and fish and yeah. But still, man,
Yeah.
that's how I am. I don't care, what
But
people
it was
think.
a pleasure, man.
All right, man. Thank you, bro.
Later, Vic.
I will see you next time, man.
Take it easy. All right, yeah. See you in the back next time.
Got your rods?
Yes, sir.
Mikey got another mangrove snapper,
Another tiny
small one,
snappy snap.
a baby. But they're here. No, it's okay. You're fine.
Does the one on crack?
No, it's fine. Actually, it's like 13, 14. Not the biggest, but
No, that one is good too.
yeah, he's good. There you go, brother. Oh, mangrove snapper. Sure, why not?
I'm not a keeper.
There you go. At least something.
I know, finally. Like, he's on here.
No, it's not. It's nah. Or might be mangrove snapper.
It's too short.
Yeah, I'll say it's in the 10 digit, but it's close. Oh, you're gonna catch Spanish though. Spanish still biting. To check Mohara like that, it's gonna be a 12, 13 inch or bigger mangrove snapper.
Alright, I'm not.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
But greenbacks, free line them for almost everything, but especially for Spanish mackerel.
Okay.
You kill them. You'll see everybody coming to you. And, oh, bro, what you using? Oh, yeah. Especially on Skyway.
Thank you again, guys.
Hi, brother. We'll see you. Okay, we're gonna end the video here. We didn't check the time. We have to go and run and pick up the kids. We'll see you guys on the next one.